Welcome back, my friends. Alrighty, today I'm just going to get straight into this one. We're doing coloured jellies with a frog on a pillow. These are really awesome for birthday parties. They're cheap. They're like work out to probably 90 cents each, and they're lots of fun, and kids absolutely love them. So I'm going to do some today in some glass ones I'm doing, but I'm going to do some how I would do them for a birthday party as well. I'll give these out to a girlfriend of mine's kids. Alright, so I'll usually get disposable plastic cups. I usually get reasonably small size ones. And then I'll get disposable plastic teaspoons. And I would, once it's all done, I would stick that to it with sticky tape. And put glad wrap over the top. And then when you're ready to bring them all out for them all, just take the glad wrap off, line them all up, and they look killer. Alright, so I use Chocky Frogs. The chocolate frogs I use, these are Cadbury Freddos, but you know, wherever you are in the world, I'm sure they've got something. Look how cute they are. Okay, now the jelly I use is, I use jelly crystals. I don't make my own jelly, I don't know how to. So I use jelly crystals. These are $1 a box, and with the 3 boxes, like one box would make 3 of these. So 3 boxes, you get 9 made up, about 90 cents each. Alright, so I use aeroplane jelly. I love aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jellies for me. Oh, I grew up with that. It was an advert as a kid. So yeah, it's been around a long time. The directions for them are always on the box. If you haven't bought them before, if you go in the section that has all your chocolate and strawberry toppings and that for your ice creams, you'll find them in that section of your supermarket. Alright, so rip your jelly out. I will do this. Put your jelly crystals in. Alright, first you need 1 cup of boiling water. And you stir that in until you can't see any jelly crystals on the bottom. Wow, that's nice and strong. What's that on? Purple grape, wow. Alright, so it doesn't take too long, so you just stir it until you can't see any more little bits on the bottom. And then once that happens, I've got 200 ml of cold water ready. I'll stick that in. And then, yeah, we'll put it back in the jug. Do our first lot. I'm really sorry about how bad the lights are here. I've tried everything. I've got this camera and it's still crap. Alright, done. So then you add in your 200 ml of cold water. Keep that jug. Once that's mixed in, I pour it back into the jug because it's easier to pour into the cups that way. Line up your cups, glasses, whatever you want to use. I'm not sure how much I'll get out of this because I usually just do them in these plastic ones, but I want to do some fancy ones today as well. I'll go a couple more there. Alright, so just remember, you want to have your 3 colours, but you want have enough room to have your cream and your Chocky Frog pillow on top, alright? So, once they're done, it's probably a little, like I said, you go up with the 3, so clearly as you're going up, you're getting wider in the cup. The next one will go to there, then there. Alright, so as soon as you've done them, you put them all in the fridge uncovered. You wait half an hour. In half an hour, you do exactly the same with the next jelly. But this time, you leave it in the jug on the bench for 20 minutes. So they've been in the fridge for half an hour. You leave the jug for 20 minutes after that. So 50 minutes later, you bring them out and you pour your next lot on. So I'm only going to do one of each for you just to show you, and then I'll do all the rest. I just did one to make sure it was all good. Alright, so the way you want to do it is you want to get a spoon, and you want to put the spoon over the... I hope you can see that. I'm trying to do it all myself here. Alright, so because I've made one already, I want to do the same. So put your spoon over it when you put it in. That way, when you're pouring, it's not digging a hole into it with your jug. Now, because I've done the first one, and I want to make them all level, so you just pour it in slowly. Let it go over. And then if you look downwards, if you're like me, I love everything light, all be perfect. Alright, so spoon over top to stop the digging, pour slowly. So you've got to just try and picture thirds. I better check that. Fraction more. Alright, and there's your second layer. Then you put it back in the fridge. So while you're waiting for the last one to set, you get a medium bowl, put 300 ml of cream in it, thickened cream, 2 heaped spoonfuls of icing sugar, and if you've got it, a dash of vanilla extract. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter, but it is nice with it. And then you want to beat it on high speed until it's nice and thick. Push it down. Get it out. Okay, so we get them and start from the middle. I do go around and a little bit on top. Stop, and then you get a chocolate frog and you put him on his pillow. Bam, there you go. Kids love these. You'll be the favourite at a party, mate, I'm telling you. They absolutely love them. Doesn't matter really, that's why I said it doesn't really matter how you do it, because you sit your frog on top anyway. But yeah, they're definitely a party favourite. And there you have your frog on a pillow. Now, how cool are they? Thanks heaps for watching.